on that part. So this is what from 11:45 I'm going to speak a little bit and show you the video of the women's participation in the Earth Summit, the global tent, the Planeta Fêmea, you know, and the director of the video. We are privileged to have her here with us again. I said, and she said, "Can I interview all these women?" And I said, I don't know if you can interview all of them, but at least you can be into something in which we are going to show the video that we did 20 years ago. And then in honor of Wangari, as we do, was the main driver. And we have now the new generation of We Do. Please stand up. You know? Representing the new generation that took over this incredible organization and networking. And then we are going to do from 11:45 to 11:15, very quickly, we are going to do a tree planting, honoring, as we are in this place in which connection to nature is something that not only we honor, but we project as part of what we are willing to achieve in the world, you know, and how we connected to these several parts of ourselves, which is. And then we have the Arnaud that is going to present as part of the network of the people, the Global Women's Scholars Network and the network of James, of Alice. And then we have the lunch. And then in the afternoon we have from 2:30 to